Hello dear traders and welcome to AMarkets. My name is Alex and now we are going to discuss the situation on the financial markets. First one is EUR/USD. EUR/USD bears take a breather round during early Wednesday in Asia after posting the biggest daily loss in a week. That said, escalating fears of the USD fall hawkish Fed bets and anxiety ahead of the Fed minutes seem to contribute the maximum in the latest sour sentiment, as well as to EUR/USD weakness. No progress in the talks to avoid the US debt ceiling expiration and fears that US may mark the catastrophic default weighed on the market sentiment. Looking ahead, the Eurozone calendar remains empty and may add strength to the latest EUR/USD in action. However, risk catalyst and the latest Federal Open Market Committee meeting minutes will be crucial to watch for clear directions. Next one is USD/JPY. The US dollar briefly touched a 6-month peak against Japan's yen, as expectations that US interest rates will remain higher for longer, while ongoing debt ceiling negotiations kept investors on edge. Among a slew of Federal Reserve heavyweights who spoke on Monday, some hinted that the central bank had further to go tightening monetary policy. S&P 500 futures have posted some gains in early Tokyo. US equities were heavily sold on as investors are worried that the default by the United States economy in addressing its obligated payments will trigger a recession. Market sentiment has dampened amid obscurity in global markets. On the Japanese yen front, economic prospects are getting stronger amid wage growth and the recovery in overall demand. Reported business sentiment at big Japanese manufacturers turned positive for the first time this year, and the service sector morale hit a 5-month high, providing more evidence of an economy after a COVID-led recession. And the last one is gold. Gold price struggles to defend the previous day's corrective bounce from the short-term key support line, mildly beat around 1975 amid early Wednesday. In doing so, the precious metal awaits more clues to cheer the latest pause in the US dollar run-up at the day high as the Federal Open Market Committee meeting made its loom. It's worth nothing that a pullback in the US Treasury bond yields and doubts over the US debt ceilings extension deal seems to prod the gold buyers of late. Given the mixed markets and the gold price consolidation ahead of the key events, traders may witness further lack of activity. Even so, updates about the US debt ceiling negotiations and the US-China tension, which are open spike of late, will be the key to watch for clear directions of gold. These are the main trading ideas for upcoming day. Thank you for your attention and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.